Welcome to the DIY Tax Knowledge Center. In this video we will explore how to maintain your digital records using the simple digital record keeping method. The user interface will vary slightly depending on the method you select. The most straightforward is the simple record keeping method. Once you have completed setup, you just click on the links under the income and expense totals to update your income and expense transactions. This will take you to the simple record keeping screen. You will notice that you can easily toggle between the income and expense records using the tabs at the top of the screen. For convenience, we have color-coded income records as green and expense records are color-coded yellow. We have also added a date filter to help customers view the income and expenses records entered for each given quarter. To add a new income record, just click on the Add button at the top of the screen. This will take you to the Add Income screen. Just enter the date and the amount of the transaction. Customers can also enter a note to describe the transaction. For convenience, we have added the facility to input recurring entries. For example, if you provided a regular monthly service to one of your clients. Just click on the recurring toggle, select the frequency, in this example monthly, and select when you wish to end this entry. Most customers would select to generate the records just for the tax year. This feature makes it easy to input recurring income with just a few clicks. You can use a similar facility when inputting your expenses. To edit an income transaction, just click on the transaction you wish to edit and click on the Edit button to update the information. To add a new expense record, just click on the Expense tab. Then click on the Add button at the top of the screen. This will take you to the Add Expense screen. You must first select a valid expense category. The expense categories displayed will vary depending on whether you are entering expenses for a self-employment business or a UK property or foreign property business. Once you select the expense category, enter the date and the amount of the transaction. You can also enter a note to describe the transaction. We would like to highlight that this screen will look slightly different if you have switched on the VAT feature. If switched on, the VAT fields will appear to enable you to record this information. You may record expenses, and at a later date realize that they are not allowable by HMRC. Use the ITSA allowable toggle to flag allowable expenses. If you have expenses that occur on a regular basis, you can use the powerful recurring feature to quickly create multiple entries. Just select the frequency, and select the To Date. Most customers will enter the recurring expenses for the tax year. In this example, the app will create a monthly record from the Date at the top of the screen to the To Date at the bottom of the screen. Customers can also use the Attach Receipt button to attach a receipt to this entry. You can attach a PDF, or if you are using the app on a smart device, like your phone, you can use the camera to take a photo of the expense receipt. This is powerful and very convenient. No more faded or lost paper receipts. To edit an expense transaction, just click on the transaction you wish to edit and click on Edit to update the information. We received important and valuable feedback from our customers. Many found the list of expense types permitted by HMRC were either not relevant to their business, and others struggled with the terminology. We therefore introduced the Personalize button at the bottom of the expense screen. You can quickly go down the list and switch on or off the expense types that you wish to use. You can also change the terminology by clicking on an expense type. Just click Edit, update the expense type description and click Save. This feature is very powerful in that it really simplifies the expense entry process. Note the Personalize button will not appear if you have not selected to categorize your expenses in the MTD settings screen. We have tried to make this feature as simple as possible. Customers that currently use spreadsheets may wish to consider this as an alternative to using spreadsheets. Customers can also use this with our banking feature that connects to your bank account and imports the record straight into the app. This is covered in another video. Thank you for your patience and thank you for watching.